Hey, how's everyone doing? I hope you had a great Thanksgiving. I know we said that Black Friday 2020 would be the last opportunity to really bring my car to the track if I could finish it, and it's not done. And the reason why it's not done is everything around me. I'm in my house, closed October 30th, and it's been nonstop work ever since. You can see a little bit of crown molding, the floor I did, base, and a whole bunch of other stuff. But I'm feeling a little stressed, but also really blessed, and I'm gonna show you why. That's why. So usually Black Friday, to me, I go out and I spend lots of money on car parts. This year, I had a different idea. I said, what if I get stuff that I can use to work on my house and work on the car? The biggest thing for me this year was this Husky wrench set. And this wrench is a ratcheting wrench set, which I always wanted. I believe I only have about 4 ratcheting wrenches, and they're not in the best of condition, and not all of them, I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm so excited to shoot this video. I had this video planned for 2 days now, all the tools lined up here. Other big thing this year, why I haven't uploaded a video, got married. So my wife is like, get these tools out of this room. We got to finish painting, and we get a couch tomorrow. It's gonna go right there. So I got this 270-piece mechanics tool set from Home Depot. Gonna leave it in my house, in my basement. It's got a nice handle. Could throw it in the car when I go to the track. Can bring it to my mom's where the Firebird is. Or I could work on cars here, which I'm planning on having a new car here on the channel very soon. Some tool organization, wrench rack, and socket rack set. Both I got for like 10 bucks. My dog's playing with me. I think it was like $10 to $15 for one of the boxes, and those are going to my mom's to organize my toolbox. Staying here or going there is this bit socket set for 3/8 drive. Something I've wanted for a long time. Makes working on cars a lot easier. So I think this was about 20 bucks. Not a terrible purchase. And then I got some drilling and driving kit. I had some drill bits that were terrible. And if you do a lot of drilling, you know how valuable some good drill bits are. What, dude? What do you want? He just slept all day. And then more for the house than anything else. 18-volt 6-piece combo kit. All right, this thing, I'm gonna be honest with you, complete impulse buy. I got a drill and driver, impact driver, reciprocating saw, multi-tool, a light, 2 batteries, and a charger, plus a tool bag for 200 bucks. And I thought that this was a great purchase because I bought this multi-tool right here to do this floor, to get under the door jambs and stuff. That was 50 bucks alone. So what I did was I took the tool out of here, put it in the original packaging, returned it to Home Depot. So, you know what? I'm gonna use the reciprocating saw a bunch. I know I'm gonna use the drill. I'm very excited. It's my first real good drill. I have a bunch of cheap drills, 20-buck combos. This guy's going crazy. $20 combos, free gifts. I think I got a corded drill that was built in the 1970s. It weighs like 500 pounds. But yeah, I'm excited to do this video. No editing, no real crazy stuff. I don't really have a lot of time. Like I said, I'm trying to fix up this house. I'm gonna do a house reveal on, I'm gonna pause it real quick. We're gonna do a house reveal on Friday, December 11th. So check back on the channel Friday, December 11th, and I'm gonna unveil this whole house, the garage, the basement, what I'm gonna build in the basement, the backyard, the bedrooms, all the work I've done. And also stay tuned, I'm gonna be doing some videos on a little bathroom renovation, okay? Maybe some other little videos here explaining how I did the floor or cut it in the crown molding or what I did to make the crown molding look good since I suck at cutting it. So thanks for checking out this video. I know it's a little different. I know it's been a while since I uploaded a video, but you know what? You gotta invest in yourself, and these tools right here, they're an investment into the channel, into me, into my house. So I'm excited to share this journey with you guys. So I'll see you on Friday, December 11th for the house unveiling video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment. Let's have some discussion. Let's share some positivity in this world, and hope everyone has a happy and healthy holiday season. Thanks for watching. Yeah.